Hey guys, and what's up? Today we're going to be reviewing the ME3D figures here that we found when we were out in Minneapolis, Minnesota at the Mall of America. We actually had two different models made, both pretty cool looking. We'll kind of give you a pretty close up that one. Again, the detail on these is amazing. Pay attention to the watch right there. I mean, it's got that, it's got my beard, it's got a bit of my belly, it's got the watch on the back arm as well as all the creases and everything in our jeans, in our shirts, everything. So it is very neat. This one here, as you can see by the hands, is meant to be a business card holder. Hence why I'm in the weird position, as I got to be able to hold up those heavy business cards. So I'll show you that here as well. As you can see. Now the only thing better would be to be able to see my face as well, but not the end of the world when it came to these, but still very cool. I'll figure out a few different other ways to use this, of course, in other things. But these are made, again, by that ME3D company, and they are just absolutely awesome models. I can't say that enough about the detailing and everything on these guys. There's me and my girlfriend, and again, just amazing quality. They're made out of this sandy feeling material. They're not as, when you go there, when you were sitting in their booth, because they took the pictures, we didn't take the pictures. When you're sitting in the booth at the ME3D place, they'll tell you two different ways to do it. First one is you can submit your own pictures online. But while we were there, we're like, well, they have these cameras that surround you and take this awesome 3D photo. We might as well take advantage of the photo systems that they had there and see what models they cost. Now, I'm going to quote the prices on these a little bit here. This one was about 80 bucks. And the business card holder one, and this one's 4 inches. And this one here is 6 inches, and this one here was about $130. So they're definitely not cheap objects, but they're definitely unique objects, as there will only be one, right? At the end, you do sign something that says that they can use it if you want to let them use it for future props and stuff like that. But other than that, these were very cool. We found them in Minneapolis. They did not disappoint once they arrived in the mail. You do not get to take these home right away. These got shipped to us. The shipping was a little high, about 35 bucks. But if you live in Minneapolis or live near one of their ME3D places, which I believe they're based out of Minnesota, so unless you're up there, I don't think you're near one, you can get these things. You can pick them up then at the mall. So maybe you're staying a few days. These took 2 weeks to produce. Again, these are the ME3D personal. I was kind of hoping for personal action figures, really, but these are just personal models of yourself. They're in Mall of America, and right next to the really cool Brick Mania store, which sells like reconfigured Lego sets that has military things and stuff on it. I'll show you guys some stuff of that a little bit later. But anyways, these are the ME3Ds. Pick them up if you have the extra cash. They're kind of cool, unique little gift items, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, if you like the video, please make sure you like and subscribe below. And again, keep on watching. There'll be tons more videos, including this guy right here.